Look what I've got here. This is my first PR package from Nimbesin. Dumating to yesterday and na-open ko na rin siya because I'm so excited. I'm gonna share with you kung ano yung mga items na pinadala nila sa akin, okay? Look, tingnan nyo kung gaano kadami yung pinadala nila sa akin, guys. So, what we've got here is Glutathione C Facial Spa Cleanser, Antioxidant Deep Cleansing. Ooh. So, ito yung pinaka-first impression or first unboxing ko. Wow, look at the packaging. Napakaganda. This is the Nimbesin Glutathione C Facial Spa Cleanser. So next item is the Glutathione Vitamin Concentrated Toner Brightening Antioxidant 5+. Look, so parang lahat ng pinadala nila sa akin is 5+. So ito yung kanilang Glutathione Vitamin Concentrated Toner. Next, Glutathione Vitamin Concentrated Mask in one box. I think 5 pieces each. Yeah. 5 pieces ang laman sa isang box. Next is the Nimbesin Glutathione Vitamin Concentrated Toner Pods. Look at that. Shada. Wow, look at the packaging. So ganda. Ang social ng packaging nila. Glutathione Concentrated Toner Pods with glutathione and vitamin C. Oh, ito na yung last. Vitamin Concentrated Brightening Antioxidant Serum. Ooh, may dropper. Ito yung kanilang Vitamin Concentrated Serum. So I'm excited to try all of these products. Thanks, Nimbesin!